Hello class 2, welcome to your value education class. Today we will do chapter 12 of your book. This is your book Inspiration for Life and chapter number 12, page number 54. So please open your book at page number 5454. Okay, and this is the chapter. This is chapter 12 of your book and the name of the chapter is Think About Others. Right, so take a pencil in your hand and let us start this chapter. Think about others. And what is the value of this chapter? The value of this chapter is social services. Social services means when we work for others, okay, when we do good to others without any profit motive in our mind. This is called social services. Okay, so in this chapter we will learn the value of social services. Right, so let's start the chapter. And the name of the chapter itself suggests that think about others. So we should love all living beings and always be good to others. When we are good to others, it makes them feel happy. It also makes us feel happy. Some people care for others before caring for themselves. So read this story. On the basis of this value, that is social services, we will go through, will read our story, and the name of the story is Old Kaki. Okay, so what it is said here that we should love all living beings. We should all love all the living beings and we should be always good to others. Okay, when we are good to others, when we do good to others, then what happens? It makes us feel very happy, right? So, and it makes others happy also. To whom you are doing good, they will also feel very happy, and side by side, it makes you also feel very happy from within, isn't it? So, there are some people who care for others before caring for themselves. So, there are so many peoples, there are many peoples in this world, those who care for others rather than taking care of themselves. Okay, now there is a story on the basis of this, and the name of the story is Old Kaki. Let us study and let us read out the story. This is the story Old Kaki. She is the Old Kaki, and we'll read the story about this old lady. Let us begin the story. Kaki was an old woman. Kaki was an old woman. She was very kind and helpful to others. And Kaki was very kind and she is very helpful to others. One day she was planting some saplings in a garden. So one day she was planting some saplings. Okay, small plants. Okay, in a garden. Then what happened? King Bikram, riding on his horse, was passing from there. King Bikram was the king of that place, of the kingdom. Okay, so the name of the king was Bikram. So King Bikram was riding on his horse and he was passing from the garden. Okay, now he was surprised to see such an old woman working in a garden. And when the king was passing through that garden, she saw one old woman planting something. Then he was very surprised to see this, why this old woman is working here. So he got down from his horse. He became curious to know what old Kaki was doing, and he became curious. He wanted to know what the old lady is doing here. So he got down from his horse and walked up to her. So the king, he got down from his horse and he was walking towards that old lady. And he asked, "What are you doing so early in the morning?" And the king asked to that old lady that, "What you are doing is so early in the morning, what are you doing here?" Kaki replied, "Your Majesty, I am planting some mango saplings." Then the Kaki understood that he is the king. Then he said that she told that, "Your Majesty, I am planting some mango saplings." So she told that, "I am planting some small saplings of mango tree." Okay. Mango saplings, exclaimed the king. The king was surprised to hear this, that old lady was planting the sapling of mango. He said, a mango tree gives fruits after a long time. It takes a long time for a mango tree to give fruits. Do you think you will live so long that you can release the fruits? And do you think that you will live so long, because she was already very old, and a mango tree, it takes a lot of time to give fruits. So the king thought that this old lady, why she is planting the mango sapling, because she is already too old and she won't be able to relish the fruit of this tree. So why she is planting this tree? He wanted to know. So do you think, then he asked the old lady, that do you think you will live so long that you can relish, means you can enjoy the fruit of the tree? Hearing this, old Kaki replied, and hearing this, the old lady replied, but she told, your Majesty, I am not planting this tree for myself. Then the old lady told that, dear your Majesty, means dear king, so I am not planting this tree for myself. I have relished many juicy fruits from the trees which were planted by my father and my forefathers. Then she said that throughout my life I have relished, I have enjoyed many juicy fruits, and those trees, means were planted by my fathers and by my forefathers, means by her ancestors. Okay, now I want to plant the trees for others to enjoy. As I have released the fruit of the plant that were being planted by my ancestor, the same way now I want to plant trees for others to enjoy the fruit. I am sure many people will get to eat the fruit of these trees, and I am sure that many people, though I will not be alive, okay, I am not going to live so long that I can enjoy the fruit of this tree, but there will be many people, I am sure that many people will eat the fruit of this tree. This tree will also give shelter to the tired travelers and animals in future. And in future, these trees will give shelter, okay, to the tired travelers. The tired travelers means the person who travel far distances. When they will get tired, then they will sit under the shade of the tree. And the animals also, isn't it? They will take rest under the shade of the tree. Though I'll not be there, but this tree will give shelter to so many tired travelers and the animals in future. King Bikram was pleased to hear her words, and King Bikram was very happy. Pleased means very happy to hear the words of the old lady. He gave her a few gold coins, and he was very happy that he gave that old lady few gold coins. Okay, and then he told that, you are very kind and loving, that you are a very kind woman and you are a very loving woman. I wish that this kingdom would have had many more people like you. And the king he wished to have many more kind and helpful lady like this. Kind and helpful people like this. Okay, and he was so happy to hear that he has rewarded few gold coins to the old lady. So this is the kind of the social service that lady was doing, isn't it? So, what is the moral of the story? The moral of the story is, be kindful and thoughtful. Be kindful means, be kind means to be helpful to others. Okay, and to be thoughtful means we should think about others' good also. So, we should love all living beings and we should do always good to others. Okay. So like this old lady, we should also take care of other people. So this is the moral of the story. We have completed this chapter, that is chapter 12 of your book, of your value education book. In the next class, I will give you the question answer of this chapter. Okay, turn to page number 56. Turn to page number 56. you see that exercise are given, many questions are, 3 questions are there, and then right or wrong. The question we can discuss now. Afterward you will get the answer of this. I'll send you through telegram. Why was Kaki planting some mango sapling? Why? Because she wanted others to relish the fruit of the mango plant tree. Right. What reward did Kaki get from King Vikram? What reward? A few gold coins. Right. And what do you learn from the story, Old Kaki? What do you learn from the story? We have learned to be kind, helpful, and to be thoughtful too. Right. Then comes the exercise. Write yes or no. Old Kaki was very kind and helpful to others. Right? Yes. The answer will be yes. So beside you will find one box. Inside the box you have to write yes. Number 2, King Vikram was riding on a motorbike. Is it correct? No, it's not true. He was riding on a horse. So you will write no. Number 3, Kaki was planting the saplings for other. Yes. Third one will be yes. Fourth one, the king became angry with Kaki's reply. Was he angry with Kaki's reply? No, he was not at all angry. Rather, he was pleased to hear that. He was happy to hear that. Now, so it will be no. Number 5, the king punished Kaki. Did the king punish Kaki? No. So the last one also will be number 5 will also be no. Okay, I'll send all this to you. Till then you go through the chapter and you will get the question answers also. Write down in the CW copy and then send it for correction. Thank you.